Hello everyone, welcome back to Felix Art World. Today I'll be painting on this paper mache skull that I made myself with neon from Deco art. The pink and the purple are from Folkart, and the yellow that you don't see at this moment is by Craft Smart. All of them have Floetrol. I am going to start with the purple so I can get the surface wet and the other colors can easily glide. Now I am not using a regular cell activator. What I'm using is Flow 8 by Liquitex. That's my cell activator and it's in the yellow color by Craft Smart. This was the first pour I did today. You can find its own video right here. I'm gonna add some purple, a lot of pink, some green, more purple, some yellow, on my YouTube shorts I have this available and you can see the top view. I really like how it looks. I love it. I began doing this skull with a ball of aluminum foil and then I just added more and more paper mache to it and I started giving it shape. If you are interested in watching the process of how to make a skull with paper mache, let me know in the comments. Now let's get some cell action. I think all this lower purple section, I think I'm gonna leave it like that and just keep adding purple. All done. I'm gonna call it a night, and once it's dry, I'll keep going. Now that it's all dry, it's time to begin to paint the eye cavities and the nose. I'm using a really dark violet. I use the purple, some purple, and a lot of black. And that's what I'm applying here. I sped up the video in this section as well. Now I'm gonna get into the cracks of the teeth, and then I'm gonna wipe it off with a napkin. I have a lot of dark paint left on my fingers, and I like to clean it up, otherwise I can mess up other sections of the skull. Alright, so now, yep, on further inspection, it will need touch-ups. I'm using a very, very fine brush to fill in the areas that didn't retain paint. Off camera, I added paint to the lower section. I added paint with a brush, a couple of layers with a brush, purple and pink, and then I used the fluid paints to cover it with. And I did exactly the same thing on this other side. All right, it's looking good. I did 2 layers of paint on the eye cavities, same for the nose. And now I'm gonna varnish it. It's ready. The paint is completely dry. I'm using a high gloss varnish by Liquitex. This varnish is exclusively for fine art, and it gives it a nice, really nice glossy look. I'm varnishing the front section of the skull first. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna work on the back. This varnish is very, very sticky as soon as it starts drying up. All of the green background photos, the skull doesn't have any varnish, and the ones with the pink background has varnish. Well, thank you so much for your attention. I hope you like. Give me a like, help me boost my algorithms, and subscribe if you like to see more. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.